Geneva's watch stores are preparing for the return of some of their biggest customers, the Chinese. But Olivier Sbinden, who runs his own boutique, thinks it could take until summer for Far East sales to hit pre-pandemic levels.
So this is a model, the Constellation, for example, that used to be very, very famous in China. Steel and gold, maybe some diamonds on the dial. Now, since to the end of 2019, we've had about 0 Chinese customers, and we are very happy and looking forward to seeing them again.
The Swiss watch industry is booming. Last year, exports were above $26 billion for the first time, an increase of over 11% on 2021, and the trend's expected to continue this year. This 2022 growth occurred despite declines in sales on the Chinese mainland and in Hong Kong due to COVID restrictions. On the other hand, sales to the United States rose by more than a quarter, maintaining America's top place in the rankings. Just a couple of weeks ago, shares in Swatch, the world's biggest watchmaker, hit their highest level in nearly 2.5 years on expectation of a recovery in luxury demand from China. It also said that sales in China in January alone already exceeded levels seen the previous January. Good news for the Swiss watch industry, which is the country's third biggest export sector after chemicals and machinery, but not because of production volume. Instead, it's because of value. The price of a luxury watch starts at around $7,000.
So Swiss watches have more than 50% of the shares of the world watch industry in terms of value. And we know that the Chinese people like to buy watches in Switzerland because it is the origin. It's a kind of emotion to buy a Swiss watch in Switzerland.
But even though sales are going up again, Swiss watchmakers are facing various challenges, from rising costs for energy and raw materials to difficulties in recruiting. Like many other sectors, the watch industry may need more time to deal with demand in the coming months.